The Youngs Modulus is so important in relation to engineering because it allows engineers to calculate how a material will react once stress is imposed on it. Well, what aspect of engineering is it most important to? The truth is, all disciplines of engineering use materials from building huge bridges, which need to support thousands of tons, to much smaller designs such as a bolt holding the wheel on a car on. So what is the Youngs Modulus? It's a measure of how stiff a material is, and is calculated using the equation the Youngs modulus is equal to stress, which is measured in newtons per metre squared, divided by strain. Stress is equal to force divided by cross-sectional area. Strain, on the other hand, is a ratio in itself and has no units. It's measured by dividing the extension by its original length. Since strain has no units, the Youngs modulus is also measured in newtons per metre squared, or pascals. The Youngs modulus can be represented on a graph by putting stress on the y-axis and strain on the x-axis. In doing this, you're able to calculate the Youngs modulus by working out the gradient, which is the change in y over the change in x, and this directly relates to the equation of the Youngs modulus. Steel is one of the stiffest materials there is, with a very high Youngs modulus, and so has a very steep gradient. Aluminium has a less steep gradient, with composites such as carbon fibre lying between the two. The second diagram shows materials do not always obey Hooke's law, which is stress is directly proportional to strain. Once the material has passed its limit of proportionality, stress is no longer directly proportional to strain. After that, it will pass its elastic limit. After this, the material will never return to its original length, even after the load has been removed. If the load is not removed, it will keep elongating, and eventually it will break. This occurs at failure point. Now, as you can see, the Youngs modulus is such an important calculation that needs to be made in the process of engineering systems from aeroplane wings to hip replacement. If a mistake is made, it will have catastrophic effect on the users. Thank you for watching.